My name is Matt Zubyk. I'm a co-founder and CEO of Petalouda Therapeutics. I have a wonderful opportunity in life to work with two fantastic scientists, Dr. Michaela Diacatou, originally from Athens, Greece, and she earned her PhD in gene therapies from the University of Montpellier in France, and Dr. Anajan Ramesh, who's originally from Chennai, India, and works at Harvard now. He is an MBA and has also earned his PhD in biomechanical engineering or biomedical engineering, and works in the Samir Mitragotri Laboratory for Drug Delivery at Harvard. So the three of us together put together an idea to try and treat chronic pain disorders using RNA therapeutics. My background isn't specifically in biochemistry. I studied finance at Stanford University and worked in investment banking for a few years after that with a specific focus on the healthcare industry. I had a bit of a career break though. I've always been a chronic pain patient for 15 years of my life, which is why I really got interested in this project in the first place. But I was actually also diagnosed with something called Hodgkin's lymphoma. I was stage 3, so I had 2 years of recovery for that and had a chance to really kind of reevaluate my life and to see whether I wanted to go immediately back into finance or to take the time to learn something that might be able to contribute something really special to the world and to patients who experience pain on a much deeper level than even I do. And I think we have a project right now that's really promising. We've spent months talking with experts across the world who have dedicated their lives to researching pain, who run laboratories at top academic institutions, and we've tried to vet our idea with them to see if we have a good sanity check for what we're doing before going forward, and we've gotten some really wonderful feedback. So we reached out. We recently went through the process of selecting finalists for CROs that we're going to be outsourcing preclinical trials work to. And in that process, had a chance to meet April Worcester at Snell and Wilmer. And she's been absolutely fantastic as a resource for us. She was our invitation to today's event at Bullpen Ventures, which was absolutely fantastic. Had a chance to meet people from all different corners of the life sciences industry, from even medical devices to people who have had success in the process of having grants approved from the DoD. So there are very specific things that we had a chance to learn today. It wasn't just people talking about their ideas. It was, hey, how did you actually get from step 1 to step 2? And that's something that was really valuable to us. So we're excited to basically go forward and hopefully, be a part of Bullpen in the future and to keep having excellent events like this. So that's us. That's our company and where we are. We're very early. We're a 3-person startup with a long way to go, but we've loved the feedback that we've gotten, and we're excited to have a chance to kind of move forward and bring something really special to the world. So thank you.